In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page break in a document in Canva. Page breaks are a simple but powerful way to control where a new page starts in your document. They help you keep titles with their content, start new sections cleanly, and make sure your document looks professional when exported or printed. Start by opening your document in Canva. Before you insert the break, place your text cursor exactly where you want the next page to begin. This matters because everything after your cursor will move to the new page once the break is added. Think of it as drawing a firm boundary in your layout, rather than just adding empty space. The first method uses the on-screen menu. Look for the plus icon in the editor. Click it to open Search Actions. In the search field that appears, type Page Break. You should see the page break action show up. Select it, and Canva will instantly push all content after your cursor to the next page. You'll notice a clean split in your document, with the following text or elements starting at the top of a fresh page. If the break isn't where you wanted it, just press Undo, move your cursor to the correct spot, and try again. The second method is even faster if you like using the keyboard. With your cursor set at the correct position, press Ctrl plus Enter. That's it. Canva will insert the same clean page break immediately. This shortcut is great when you're flowing through a draft and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. A quick tip to keep in mind: using a page break is different from pressing Enter several times to push content down. Multiple line breaks can shift around as you edit, causing your layout to change unexpectedly. A page break locks the page boundary right where you need it, so your sections stay consistent no matter how much text you add or remove above it. After inserting the break, scroll through your document to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Check that headings start on the new page and that no paragraphs are awkwardly split. If you want the break somewhere else, undo and reapply it at the new location. And that's all there is to it. Open your document, set your cursor, then either use the plus icon to search for page break under Search Actions, or press Ctrl plus Enter for the shortcut. With these two options, you'll keep your Canva documents neat, readable, and ready to share.